more working for a week or two. Fun and
Thank God, we're finally getting out of Delhi. I can't wait to see the snow now.
It's such a cool trip Vimal sir and we for Yamuna have organized here. Imagine traveling up to where the Yamuna begins and then reaching right down to where it ends. I'm sure all 32 of us are gonna have lots of fun.
32? But aren't we 18?
No, 6 kids from Ritinjiri Foundation are also traveling with us. And there are also 8 resource persons.
summer holiday, doing things they always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our
But it's turning out to be such a long wait. I'm beginning to get bored now. We have stopped for tea and we're gonna reach in some billion hours. And I can't even eat any chips on this trip. No Coke either. This sucks. What's that lemon thing called? Lemon soda is really bad.
We got caught smuggling chips, etc.
Then we argued with the teachers. He did.
And we are behind time.
Hey Sakshi, is that the Yamuna? God, it doesn't look like the same river that flows in Delhi. It's so clean and so much more inviting than your swimming pool. I'm going for a dip. Are you coming? It's been amazing. We have practically spent the entire day next to the river.
Yeah, Summer. Few things in life are as awesome as sitting by the river. And I just love to hear the sound of the water gushing as I sleep in my tent.
So this is Janki Chatti. Now we are only 5 kilometers from Yamunotri. Guess what? We're going to trek uphill now.
There will be snow everywhere. We live in tents. How will we shit and bathe? I shouldn't have carried so much luggage. Oh my god. Please take my sleeping bag now.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see.
My god, it's beautiful.
The sky got the sun.
We're finally here. I'm sure none of us have trekked up a glacier before.
It's a dream. I'm on top of the world, looking down on creation and beyond.
But I can't figure out where the Yamuna really begins from.
Look at how the water is rushing here, despite the fact it's such a tiny trickle. But did you see the plastic thrown all around? I mean, this is what we do to a dham? Don't people come here to worship?
Okay, come now. We're getting late for our presentations. When we all were talking, we thought that we are the ones that are actually polluting it because we saw Lay's packets or Aquafina bottles. But the truth is that there were other things as well. There were, like local packets, the stuff that we had. So I think even these people, like some of the people we spoke to, seemed so disinterested, like they didn't care. And the truth is that they are using that water daily to drink it, to cook, whatever. But it's just so sad that from here, we're just trying to make a point that from the beginning, from the source, how disinterested, how unaware, how we don't care, how we don't even respect it.
जीने मैंने मार सुटिया ओहो जीने मेरा दिल लुटिया ओहो जीने मैंने सार सुटिया ओहो लक बदला बलौरी
Hey, we actually get to pitch our tents here. Killer! And there's so much lined up for the day. We're now off to play cricket with the school kids here.
But have you heard about the cute little cinema hall? We'll actually get to see a film tonight. And what's more, we get to choose it. Which one will they have? Will they have Hit? like a Hindi film heroine under the waterfall.
गांव का कनेक्ट था और कैसे गांव खड़साली में कैसे नदी के साथ लोगों का संबंध था और यहाँ पे क्या संबंध. If you go on the river bed is looking different. The whole आप टेरेस फार्मिंग देख रहे थे, अब देखिए प्लेन फार्म्स दिख रहे हैं आपको. अब हर जगह प्लेन दिख रहा है. हिमालय जैसे लग रहा है कि कंप्लीटली बंद हो रहा है. यहाँ से नदी गश आउट कर रही है. Can you see all of it? आपको दिख रहा है पूरा?
So this is Kalsi Rock.
Yeah.
After the epic Kalinga battle, King Ashoka turned Buddhist and inscribed commandments of life on an edict here.
And this is Dark Patthar, the last day of camping by the river. Today we'll try to earn our own living. We're being taken to the Vikas Nagar market. Isn't that cool?
What does it take to earn money when you don't have your Vasant Valley identity, Ritinjali identity, me, V for Yamuna identity or anyone for that matter, कोई भी identity नहीं है. असल में नौकरी करने तो आए नहीं है. तो वो सारे challenges हैं, वो सारे चीज़ें हैं जो आपके for भी हो सकता है, against भी हो सकता है. So you just have to look at how do you handle it, right?
We went and worked at this place called Ramu's Sweets.
Yeah.
And
We packed dahi.
Yeah.
We served the tables. We cleared the tables. We packed the laddus.
We cleaned up his shop by
Cleaned
stacking
the
all the
shop.
boxes, fixing the bottles.
Yeah, that's about all.
They were very uncomfortable when we walked in and said, "You want to work there?" And he looked around and said, "हम वैसी दुकान नहीं है जो ऐसे हम वैसी दुकान नहीं है." So,
in fact, he said that if you don't need to work, I'll give you 50 rupees. And we didn't accept it, obviously. We said, no, we have to work for our money, kind of a thing.
some of the guys are lifting packets of flour or cement. One or two guys are should be accused of fraud because they're stealing money from people by saying they're working for the Yamuna.
Yeah. And some people are singing and people are paying them to shut up.
Look, Sakshi, I'm such a good cook. I've made the best dal ever.
Try eating it now.
Thought they are giving us pen coke.
Yeah.
What in God's name is that?
Stunning, isn't it? That's the Tajiwala Barrage, from where Yamuna gets divided into the eastern and western canal for irrigation. After this, we are now going to Paonta Sahib, which is a revered Gurudwara. Here, Guru Gobind Singh used to recite poems on the river bank and requested Yamuna not to make noise. Since then, the Yamuna has been quieter than it used to be.
Oof. After 7 days in the hills, this is terrible. I can't even breathe because of the smoke. There's so much steel and paper waste all around.
You know, Yamuna Nagar is part of the country's most prosperous industrial belt. It has huge plywood, steel and sugar factories. And we don't need to guess where they let in all their garbage and stuff.
Don't tell me. We're back in Delhi. The grime, sweat and politics gets to me. It's unbelievable. This drain in front of us is actually the same clear stream we saw at Yamunotri. Only 2% of the entire 1370 kilometers of the Yamuna flows through Delhi. Still, the city contributes to almost 80% of the river's contamination.
And why not? Where do you think all our flushes empty themselves? Who cares that Delhi was built along Yamuna? To us, she is just a hurdle to zip past. Sakshi, don't you think that was the most disgusting sight ever?
Yeah, man. I don't have any hope left for this river.
I know. Anyway, we're now going for Aarti at the Vrindavan Ghat.
There's something about this river, Samad. The deep down has really restored my faith. Actually, I wonder how the Yamuna can suffer so much and still be this calm.
By the way, have you thought of anything about your group's play?
Oh yeah, we're supposed to have plays tonight now. It would be so much fun.
Today, we are at Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. The Yamuna here is worshipped like nowhere else. And you know what? The entire economy is centered around the Ghats.
But I really don't understand such faith, yeah. What sort of worship is this? Okay, she's a goddess. So do we have to trust her to flow unaffected despite all that we chuck into her?
Yeah, here too, the river stinks. Wonder if there's a respite from pollution anywhere.
Wow, it started raining. Hey Samad, is that flame coming out from the Mathura refinery?
Yeah, looks like a fire eater.
Tell me Samad, what comes to your mind when I say Agra?
Peter.
Oh god, how unromantic. You're probably the only person in this world who didn't say the Taj Mahal. Come, let's take a boat ride.
Now your Taj Mahal is done, I'm so hungry. Come, let's have some petha, na?
Samad, our trip's nearly over. But where does the Yamuna go from here?
Sakshi, we have to go back. But Yamuna will travel more. She will now go to Etawah and then to Allahabad. At Etawah, she will meet 4 more of her tributaries, Chambal, Kain, Betwa and Son. And at Allahabad is Prayag, the holy confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. So 12 days are over now.
Can't we just take a U-turn and go on the yatra all over again?
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's unlike any other trip that I've ever been on.
There was no 5-star treatment, no toilet paper, no AC cars, no mobile phones, no chips and no Coke.
It's been so much more than just a summer holiday, na Sakshi? When we started out, Yamuna was just a river for us. But now, our entire equation with her has changed. We would have never imagined the extent to which we are all responsible for what's become of her.
Yeah, I know. In fact, this journey has not just been with the river, but I've actually journeyed within myself.
My god, someone's getting philosophical. So tell me, Socrates, what are you packing for your next yatra?